Hey guys, my hair looks different because I pulled it back so it wouldn't be in my face as much. So yeah. So today is day 6 of Christmas makeup. So yeah, today's palette is kind of old. I've had it probably for a few years. As you can tell, it looks very crusty, but yeah. Here's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like. It's like very shimmery. But yeah. And I also have another product that we're gonna like test out. It is these pre-glued lashes. I got them at Ulta. So we're gonna see if these work. Just probably grab some pliers for them. But they're supposed to be super quick, like it says 15 seconds. So it does that out to apply them. So yeah, so these are new. This isn't. So yeah, I'll be using like the blush palette I used before. I mean, I guess this is new to you guys because you guys haven't seen this in a video, so it's new to you guys, but it's not new though. Not actually new. Out these, see if they only take. So they're supposed to apply in 15 seconds, like you put them on like super quick, and then they're supposed to last for 15 hours. So yeah, I'm just a floating head again because I keep slouching. Okay, so yeah, my brush is clean. It's not all brown. Like you can actually see the original color of the brush. So yeah, we're gonna do like a kind of like a candy cane inspired look. I have candy canes on my shirt. It's kind of like a candy cane look. Got some brushes. Here's all my brushes. I need to clean all of them, but just look at how clean this one is. There's a lot going on. Look at how clean my foundation brush is compared to my other brushes. Get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with doing like the same face stuff that I've been using in all my other videos. Same stuff. Same old, same old. There we go. Got the base on. I mean, I guess that's not really a red. That's more of like a pink. It's gonna be like pink and white instead of red and white. Could maybe grab that Fruity Pebbles palette again. For a red, because I think there's a red in. Oh, I think there's a white in here too. Yeah, red and white in here. Maybe I'll do Fruity Pebbles again. Even though I'm trying to use like new. But I mean, I do have a new item in this video. It's the lashes. So maybe I can get away with using an old palette. I might have to steal the red from in here. And then there's a white in here, so maybe I'll use these two. This one. And this one from like the first video. Maybe I'll go in with this, it's called ombre color. And like the inner corner. very bright. Very bright. It's almost like iridescent. Okay, so just gonna do that in the ear corner. Maybe I use this brush for red. Go in with that red. I should go with the shimmer red because these colors are shimmery. I'll go into this like cherry red instead because it has like more shimmer to it. Coming off as pink, like a hot pink, and not like a red. What the heck? I mean, does it look red? No, it looks kind of red on camera, but like it's kind of, I don't know, it's like changing colors. It's kind of weird. Okay, it looks red on camera. I don't know why it looks like it looks kind of pink on the brush and not like, but it goes on red, so it's like weird. Again with the other one to do white, and then just keep going back and forth and back and forth. See? Okay, so kind of. Now to do the same on the other eye. White. It's the candy cane look. Pretty vibrant. Even like the white, you can like see it really well. What I do is measure it, make sure it fits your eyeball, and then put it on. That's all it really says. It's supposed to be 15-second to apply it, and then here's also the side thing. We'll see how that goes. I've never used like pre-glued lashes like this before. Doing lashes is always a journey. These feel kind of short too, or maybe I just have big eyes, but they feel kind of small. I don't even know where I'm gonna place it, like there? Finally stuck down. I don't know if I like the placement, but I think we're gonna call it good. And plus these are kind of short anyway, so I don't know. So I don't know if they were gonna look all that well anyway, because they're like, I feel like they're kind of short for a pair of lashes. Like they're like not the length of a normal eye, but I could also just have huge eyeballs though too, so I don't know which one it is. It made it a little easier, I'd say. I mean, the glue does try to like stick to everything, like if you're using something to apply it with. Ooh, okay, that was like pretty easy. I have watery eyes, so we're gonna see if these will like hold up for 15 hours on my eyeballs. I don't think they will, but they say they should. It says on the thing 15-hour wear. It's not in focus, but it says it, so I'll probably, maybe I'll put my TikTok I'll put my TikTok in the description, and then you guys, I'll probably like talk about it, like show how it looks after like a whole day of wearing it. So if you want to know if it actually holds up for the whole day, then you have to go to my TikTok. Okay, I'm trying to not let my eyes water too much though, but watery eyes, I got sinuses. I would say it makes it a little, the process of putting lashes on, a little easier. But I don't, but yeah, because you don't have to wait for the glue to dry, you just plop it on, so. In your spot, please. So there they are on. I mean, they're like kind of short for my eyes, so that's why there's like a gap. They don't really go all the way to the end. Yeah, so they're like kind of short. Probably just have big eyes though. Okay, I think they're on good. Okay, those are kind of cute. I might add like a little mascara to like the inner corner so you can see my inner corner lashes more. Just using like the same old dollar store mascara. Okay. Got lipstick, using the red lipstick. It's Wet n Wild. Probably some blush. I think I'll be good. I'm gonna go on blush with like the same like orange color. I'm gonna grab my glasses. What do I do with them? There they are. They need to be cleaned. They're just so dirty. But that's like the candy cane look. And some lashes. This is like the first video doing lashes. All my other ones I didn't do lashes, I just used mascara. So yeah, that's today's video. So bye.